Hello, welcome to Chasing Diecast Cars. In this video we're going to take a look at 8 Johnny Lightning MiJo Exclusives. The first 6 are from a case I got from my hobby dealer, and that is a special anniversary edition. They are all Japanese cars in black and gold livery. So it's in this nice black and gold packaging, celebrating 50 years of Johnny Lightning, beating them all since 1969. So one of 2,400 limited edition MiJo Exclusive. In the back you can see the number. If you want to look these up online, this is the number for them. They all have the same number. So these were all €9.99 a piece. I'm going to show the back of the card after I open it up. That way it'll make it a little bit easier to look at. So let's put this in the back for a while, and here you can see he's got all the cars in the set, in the case, and here's a little bit info on Johnny Lightning. So I will scroll it through the screen so you can kind of pause that if you want to read that. And see, you can get the glare out of that. So that's it. So each vehicle comes in this box. You can look at it all around, the bottom, front and the back, halfway. So it's kind of cool. Kind of disappointed that this is not the soft top version, because I don't have an example of that casting, because that's one of the reasons why I bought this case, because they're all Japanese cars and I don't have any example of these vehicles in my collection. So this was a great way to acquire these, and you get, you know, something special in these anniversary versions. So that was kind of cool. Going to keep those boxes, of course they are nice enough to keep. So metal on metal, these are made in China, so you get rubber tires. They are printed on. The date is actually printed on there, 1969 till 2019. That's kind of cool. And then it says 50th anniversary. So yeah, that's kind of cool. So hardtop version. I think, does this open up in the front here? Yeah. The hood or bonnet opens up to reveal a nicely detailed engine. So that's cool. It's got Johnny Lightning 50th kind of ghost painted on the hood or bonnet. Very nice front end. Cool model. We got the spare tire that is the same as the one on the vehicle, except for the printing on the tire. It would have been great if they had that too. And nicely detailed in the back also. Yeah, very cool. Not a lot in the back there, I must say. No seats or anything. But nice dashboard though. I like that. Yeah, cool. So that's number 1. Next up, number 2. It's the same one, but it's got some accessories on the roof. Kinda should have cut the tape before I started the video, but anyways, I'll do it now quickly. Try not to cut the vehicle. Can I get it out like this? Yep, I can. So metal base, of course. This one seems to have wider tires, or is that my imagination? Yeah, it does. That's cool. Got more off-road tires on this one. That is awesome. It's got some extra accessories. Got the snorkel here on the side. Got the winch and the extra lights in the front. So I guess the hood bonnet still opens, but a bit more difficult. Yeah, looks the same underneath. So yeah, got the same printing on the tires. The roof rack is cool too. Shovel. Oh, the spare tire does have the printing. Oh, and this one does too. Yeah, that's funny. So we got the jerry cans, 3 of them. And then this red thing, I don't know what that is. Maybe someone can tell me. The ladder here is also extra compared to the other one. Does not have the gold roof, but a black roof, but the luggage rack is gold, so it's okay. No seats here in the back either. So yeah, very cool model. This is sweet. Yeah, love this. Very nice. And next up, number 3, the 99 Nissan Skyline GTR 34. Sorry, going to say 32. I don't know why. There you go. So metal on metal. Pretty wide tires also with thread. Nice rims, black and gold. Same tires with the date on it. So this is a metal spoiler. Yeah, seems to be a metal spoiler. Nicely detailed in the back. It says number 3 on the license plate. Johnny Lightning 50. So nicely detailed. Painted headlights. Grille. GTR logo, indicators. Right hand drive. Yeah, nice interior also. Cool. Number 4, the 1998 Honda Civic Custom. Oops, yeah, that damaged the box. This does not have a painted base, just bare metal. White tires also, cool rims, also black and gold combination. Got kind of a carbon fiber hood or bonnet. Very low stance on this one. Yeah, back seat. It's not very detailed. Front looks better. And it's got the anniversary theme on the rear window. Number 4. Cool. Got a great stance. Number 5, the 91 Honda CRX. So here it is. This one does have a painted black base. Again, white tires, nice rims. So we got a banner on the windscreen. 50th anniversary it says. Cool. Also the ghost tempo. Cool. Nicely detailed. These are pretty flawless, I must say, except for occasional tire fitment. There's nothing much I can find here that is wrong with them. Tempos are really nice and crisp, because I don't have a lot of Johnny Lightning, so yeah, cool. Of course, scale-wise, they are not as good as a Greenlight, and definitely not as good as an Auto World, for example. But they're kind of cool castings to have, you know. Last one, number 6, 2004 Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution. Also a fan favorite. Yeah, this is going to be hard to open. I'm just going to use a knife here to pull it open. To be safer. For the box at least. Preserve the box. Kinda. So this also has an unpainted base. White tires also. Kind of recognize these rims. Are these the same on the, yeah, on the Skyline? So we got a metal spoiler. I think it's metal. I can kind of push it down, so not sure if it's metal. Maybe it's painted plastic. Anyway, number 6 on the license plate also. Doesn't seem to be as detailed as the others. Maybe that's just my idea. I don't know. Maybe there's less to it to be detailed, but it's a nice one, alright. Again, dashboard is nice. Yeah, they do a nice job on these. I like it. Nice stance also. Cool. Then next up, to stay in the JDM theme, or Japanese car theme, because it's a left-hand drive, so not really JDM. This is not an anniversary edition. This is it is a MiJo exclusive. It says here on the base, so it is a special edition. It's from the Classic Gold collection. One of 4,800 pieces. So the regular price of this would be €9.99, but because this is a special one, I paid $12.99 for it. That's pretty pricey. I usually don't pay much over €10 for diecast, but in this case I wanted to have an example of a white lightning, sorry, because that's what this is. So I paid a little extra for once. This is the number. You can Google it if you want to find it. So let's take a look at this white lightning. I thought, well, you know, if I'm going to get one, it might as well be this hot pink one. I thought that was kind of cool. So here it is, my first and probably last White Lightning, just because they're pretty pricey and there's a lot of plastic flashing on these white wheels that the black wheels don't seem to have. Maybe I did not pay attention to it. So we got white tires. That is definitely different from the regular version. I'm not sure the other features. I think the base, usually isn't white either. So white tires and white base, but the top is definitely white usually because it's in a metallic white, and I think the grille is also, but I'm not 100% sure on that. So this also opens up, I guess. Yeah, same detail there. So pretty cool in pink, and kind of contrasts nicely with the white. It's got the white ladder also. So I don't know if that is a White Lightning feature or not. I'm not sure. Well, it is cool. Yeah. It's got a chrome interior. And the white tire on top also. So yeah, that's cool. Looks great. And then the last one for my battery dies. This was reduced in price because it has been opened up for a photo shoot. So normal price would be $9.39. This is the code you can enter on your computer if you're looking for this. It's got the chevron hologram there. This is a little bit older item, 2017 copyright. 1965 Chevrolet tow truck, one of 2,400. So for my tow truck collection, thought this would be a cool addition. Very heavy piece, metal on metal also, like all the others. Also has the opening hood or bonnet. Very cool. Nicely detailed all around. Sky Chief packs punch. Telephone number. These lights on top look kind of weird, but that's okay. I think you can lift this up or not. I thought you could, but kind of doesn't lift up, but because I want to get this thing out of there. But with a little bit of wiggling, it works. There you go. Oh, but now you can't see the detail in the back. It does seem to have a Texaco license plate. Yeah, cool model. Very happy to get it. Looks awesome. It does move a little bit, but not as much as I thought it would. It does have, yeah, it has a little bit of suspension. That's cool. See? That's nice. So that's it for this video. I thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Hope to see you again next time. Bye bye.